Hey guys, just wanted to show you two things and two of the awesome things. And yeah, remember how I made the the video where I showed you the collection of the police badges like a long time ago? Well, yeah, I got something else cooler. Starting with this Pearl Agent belt buckle, which says California. And yesterday it came in from the mail from my grandmother, and it's pretty awesome. It's like made of like solid gold. Or yeah, it can be solid gold. It is metal. Kind of looks gold too. So yeah, I'm not sure what I would do with this belt buckle, but I could use this as collectible, or maybe, uh, well, who knows? Uh, you could like move. There's like this thingy. Uh, well, I don't have like some kind of like a belt thing for it. It's a belt buckle, so yeah. And there's another thing I would like to show you guys. This is the Pearl Agent's jacket, and it's also from my grandmother. And I tried it on; it fits very well. So, and I like this jacket. I'm gonna like hang it up. Uh, and the thing is, design got the design of this jacket is kind of fading away a little. Like other things that fade away. So yeah, I like the buttons and everything. It it can be perfect to wear on rainy days. But no hoodie though. But yeah, it's a pretty cool jacket. Um and yeah, that was that was that was two things I was showing you. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and turn on notifications. Uh, and see you in the next video.